While fall hasn't arrived yet, it's never too early to start planning your seasonal decor. One way to do this is by incorporating pomegranates into your fall decor. These vibrant fruits can add a touch of elegance and color to your space, making your home feel cozy and inviting as the weather begins to cool down. Let's explore some inspiring ideas to help you embrace this vibrant fruit in your seasonal decor. Gilded pomegranate centerpiece. Create a beautiful fall centerpiece using gilded pomegranates, berries, and nuts, paired with a bold red candle. This combination adds a refined and luxurious touch to your table. Grapes and pomegranates arrangement. Combine grapes with bold blooms and pomegranates for a stunning and colorful fall centerpiece that's perfect for a festive gathering. Eucalyptus and pomegranate display. A centerpiece of seeded eucalyptus, pomegranates, ribbons, and berries creates a stylish and natural look, ideal for any fall setting. Rustic Thanksgiving centerpiece. Use a mix of red and burgundy blooms, greenery, and pomegranates to craft a bold and eye-catching centerpiece that will stand out on your Thanksgiving table. Moss and pine cone bowl. For a rustic vibe, fill a bowl with moss, pine cones, and pomegranates. This simple yet bold centerpiece captures the essence of fall. Dahlia and pomegranate arrangement. A bright and lively centerpiece featuring dahlias, pears, pomegranates, thistles, and apples brings an abundance of fall colors to your table. Greenery and berry display. A combination of greenery, berries, and pomegranates makes for a vibrant and festive centerpiece that perfectly fits the fall season. Velvet pomegranate centerpiece. For a touch of luxury, create a centerpiece with blush hydrangeas and velvet pomegranates adorned with rhinestones. This look is both chic and unique. Evergreens and pomegranates. A simple and elegant centerpiece made of nuts and pomegranates placed on a bed of evergreens is perfect for fall or winter gatherings. Vintage bowl arrangement. Fill a vintage bowl with evergreens and velvet pomegranates with rhinestones for a centerpiece that adds charm to any occasion. Candle and vine sphere display. Create a quick and easy fall centerpiece with a candle, vine spheres, pomegranates, and seasonal vegetables. Greenery and branches. For a natural look, fill a jar with greenery and branches, then add pomegranates for a simple yet striking fall decoration. Pomegranate table runner. A table runner made of greenery, bold dahlias, and artichoke, and pomegranates creates a stunning and festive display for fall or Thanksgiving. Antlers and pomegranates. Combine greenery, leaves, pomegranates, antlers, and candle holders for a chic and rustic table runner that embodies the fall spirit. Apples and pomegranates. A table runner featuring greenery, apples, and pomegranates with candle holders to light up the space is a classic and elegant fall decoration. Vintage urn centerpiece. Fill a vintage urn with blackberries, cherries, pomegranates, and greenery for a gorgeous centerpiece that transitions seamlessly from fall to Christmas. Wooden bowl with evergreens. Use a long wooden bowl filled with evergreens and pomegranates to create a simple yet impactful fall centerpiece. Pear and pomegranate table runner. A lush and bold table runner with greenery, pears, pomegranates, berries, and tall candles makes for an amazing autumnal display. Chamomile and pomegranate display. Combine chamomiles, dark foliage, pomegranates, bold blooms, and grapes for a lush and colorful centerpiece that's perfect for a fall tablescape. Checked runner with pomegranates. Set your Thanksgiving table with a checked runner, greenery, wood slice placemats, a striped napkin, and a bowl with a pomegranate to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Incorporating pomegranates into your fall decor is a simple yet elegant way to bring the season's warmth and richness into your home. With just a few thoughtful touches, you can create a space that truly celebrates the vibrant spirit of the season.